G'day there, I'm Jess and today I'm going to show you how to change your Etsy shop name. So all you need to do is head into your dashboard and then click on settings and then click on info and appearance. And then it will bring this up here. And just at the top here you can see shop name and a little change right next to it there. So just click on that and then it explains what happened. So all links to your shop will continue to work and no one can use your previous shop name. So be careful with this because once you change it, nobody can use it again. Okay. So we will also let people know that you changed your shop name. For 45 days, this icon here will appear next to your shop name on shop pages, your profile and shop search results to let people know you recently changed your shop name. So that way people who purchased from you previously will know. So all you need to do is literally type in your shop name, change here and click save. And that is it. You have changed the name of your shop. Of course, then what you want to do is you want to head on over to your front page here, your front end of your shop, and you want to update your logo or your icon here. You want to update your banner and anything else that refers to your old shop name. If you've got it written in your announcement, if you've got it written down here in your about section, you want to make sure that you update your shop name in all of those locations as well, so that anyone who comes along doesn't get confused. And you might want to, for a little while as well, up here at the top on your banner, just explain the fact that you've changed your shop name. So create a banner that says new shop name and then what previously was and your old shop name, and have that there for a little while so that anyone who is familiar with your old shop will realize that you're the same person. Now here's the information from Etsy about changing your shop names. We've got our description there of how we do it, but it also has more information here that you want to know about your shop name before you change it. So shop names can be up to 20 characters long. They can't have spaces or punctuation. You may want to capitalize letters in your shop name to distinguish separate words. So if your shop isn't open yet, you can change your name as often as you like before you open your shop. Once your shop is open, you can change it up to 5 times. Okay, so that's pretty generous. You can change it that many times. If you need to change it again, you have to submit a form, a request form. Now, once a shop name has been used to open a shop, it can't be used again. And remember, searching on Etsy isn't an effective way to see if a shop name is available, since it may be connected to a closed shop. So someone could literally open a shop with a name, close their shop, but that name can never be used again. Okay. Now, remember this. You also won't be able to use a shop name that you've used previously on another account, even if that account is closed. Instead, you can reopen your old shop. Okay. And then there's some more information about rights and privacy here. So just think about it before you change your shop name. Make sure that you have thought through the consequences of it and that it is the right decision and you're ready to change your shop name. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe if you want more videos on how to succeed on Etsy and how to grow your handmade business. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.